your panel, you may want to write over the top of a PDF. The first thing that you want to do is open up Drive and then select the PDF that you want to write over the top of. Once you find your PDF and it opens up, you're going to go ahead and you're going to select the writing tool that would be located in the bottom right-hand corner. It's a little pencil. Once you select that pencil, your full annotation features are going to pop up on the left side of the screen. This is convenient if you are just editing one time and you just want the ability to be able to quickly write over the top of it. The one thing that you will note is that you can write on the top of it, but it does not save your annotations into the actual PDF itself. If you wanted to save this, you can click Save in the upper right-hand corner, but what it's going to do is going to create a new copy of the file. So writing on the PDF this way is really convenient if you want to just quickly write and then save as you go. Another option is to download the PDF onto the board itself. To do this, locate your file, click on the three dots, and then select Download. This is going to add the file to the board itself. So to access this file after you've downloaded it, you can go back to your home screen, and from there you're going to navigate to the folder icon. That folder icon holds your files. From there you want to press on Downloads, and then that will show you all of the downloaded files you've got. Go ahead and select the file that you want to annotate on. Now this process takes a little bit of time the first time it has to load, so it might be good to pre-do this before you're in front of kids. But once it loads there, you're able to annotate over the top of it. So now that you've got the file downloaded, you can open it up and you can navigate to whatever part of the PDF you want to annotate on, and you can begin to create your annotations right inside of the file. What I really like about downloading PDFs this way is that it creates a copy of that PDF for you. So I can come in and I can annotate over the top of it, and that will save my writing for me. And what's really nice is that the next time I want to come in and I want to add content to my screen, now it's going to open up the same file for me versus saving a copy of that file. So to do that, I'm going to go back to my files on the panel, and instead of going to downloads this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my files. So after I've selected my files, then I can just go ahead and open up the PDF that I was working on, and I can get right to the place that I was previously annotating. And this is convenient because I can pick up right where I left off without having to remember, oh, which copy of the file did I write that in? So now I can come back and I can add to my knowledge map. Maybe this time I might choose a different color, but you can see that now I'm opening up the PDF that I already started annotating on. It saved my annotations, and I can continue to go back to my files, reopen that same document, and then continue to edit within that document and progressively add more and more detail. And I can do this with my students, I can do this modeling for my students, and I can do this as a way to kind of chart where we've gone. And the convenient piece is that I just do it all in the same board file that I have. I don't have to remember all of the different names of the files that I saved or all of the different pieces. It's all in one file for me. To make things even more efficient, now that I've got that file in my files, I can go ahead and use the star option, and that's going to add it to my favorites. So now that I've started, you can see that on my favorites files on my board, it's located right there on the top of my files. I can quickly and easily just tap that file to get back into my Knowledge Blueprint or whatever PDF I'm working in and pick right up where I left off. Lastly, you'll want to know how to clean things up in your files. So click that Files app. Now you select where you want to clean things up, and now I have the capability to select one file or multiple files, and you'll notice that as I select those files, now I have that little garbage can, and I can get rid of these files.